Honourable Member for New Westminster Burnaby.
Canadians have seen the egregious holes in our income tax system with the Paradise Papers, the Panama Papers, the Isle of Man scam, and offshore tax havens, wealthy Canadians getting off the hook on paying taxes. Well, this Liberal government has done virtually nothing to crack down on offshore tax havens, but they have targeted regular Canadians. Under this government, well over $1 billion has been clawed back from Canadians, many of whom qualify for the disability tax credit or child benefits. Why are the Liberals denying benefits to families who deserve them?
Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, our government remains committed to ensuring that Canadians receive the credits and benefits to which they are entitled, as we recognize that they are essential for middle-class families to make ends meet. We've made significant progress in getting benefits to eligible Canadians. For example, the CRA now proactively communicates with low-income non-filers to encourage them to file so they can get the money they are owed. After 10 years of cuts under the Harper Conservatives, we will continue to invest in a new client-focused approach.
Honourable Member for New Westminster Burnaby.
Liberals should be targeting tax havens, not targeting families, Mr. Speaker. Now, the Prime Minister made a snide comment yesterday about the NDP when I asked him about the by-elections. But it's not just the NDP calling for a vote. It's Canadians. Today, party leaders from across the political spectrum called on the Prime Minister to show respect to voters. 300,000 Canadians are being denied the right to representation by this Prime Minister. Will he listen to parties representing 150 members of Parliament and call the vote now?
Right, Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, to go back to the CRA, we've made historic investments to fight against tax cheats. We fully adopted the international standard for automatic information exchange with our partners in the OECD to give the CRA useful data to help fight tax cheats even more effectively. With respect to offshore tax evasion, the CRA is currently conducting audits on over more than 1,100 taxpayers and opened over 50 criminal investigations. As for the by-elections, we look forward to calling them soon and look forward to campaigning against people who are so enthusiastic about the democratic process.